Hello, welcome to Hayling Island, and we're back down at Funland. Now, we did a photo update a few weeks ago now. I don't know when it was. We did a photo update a few weeks ago now, and you know, it was quite popular. It's nice to see this is our local park, so we kind of like to see what's going on here, because we come down here quite often, buy wristbands, ride the rides, and spend, you know, good summer afternoons and sometimes some wintry afternoons down here. Now then, it is of course raining today. Why wouldn't it be raining? It's a Saturday, it's winter, so it's raining quite badly. However, there is some more news and some more photos which you may have seen on our Facebook page going up right now about some of the developments down here at Funland. We are not going to be able to talk too much when we get outside because it's really, really windy here. So we're going to have a quick look around the park. There's a lot of activity going on. There's a lot of workmen putting the rides back together for February half term. But there is a new attraction, and there is a new attraction. If you hang around, you will see the new attraction for 2018, which has kind of been plopped right in front of us. Join us shortly. So there you have it. It's a hive of activity down here today. As we said, we apologise, we put some kind of music over what we've just seen because it's really windy, as you can probably hear now. Can't really cover the sensor and the microphone. I'm very sorry. So there's a lot of activity going on, and we said before, when we did our update, and we've said, you know, in the past as well, that when we come down here, we love it. We love this time of year because you rarely get to see what goes on during the closed season at any kind of park, any kind of rides, unless really you're involved in it. But here, you can walk around, you can see, you know, as we turn around now, they're putting the balloons back together. And you've just seen them wheel around parts of Neptune's Fury. If you watch our vlog, go back and watch our vlog on Funland, and you'll kind of see the rides and attractions that are here. And what we'll do now is we're going to take you around to see the new attraction attraction for 2018. We're not going to talk too long. One, you probably don't want to hear it, and two, it's really windy. So let's go around and have a look. So that's Hayling Island. We've just been out, we've just had a little look around Funland. As you can tell from our kind of brief stint, it's very, very windy outside and our hands are freezing. They are red and they are very, very cold. But some interesting developments for 2018. Now, as we said before, we said on our page when we updated the last update, for the photo update that we put up, and we'll put another one up with this video as well, that we love coming down here. The reason why we love coming down here, there aren't very many places where you can see close season activity at all, and here you can get really, really, really close to the close season activity. As you can see, you know, an air of sensibility is definitely required when coming down here. But in saying that, we love it. We love it because we can see everything that's going on. So quickly to take you around, you've seen the balloon ride being put back together, you've seen the Neptune's Fury being put back together, we've seen that the drop, which is just to the side of me now, looks like it's going to be dismantled. It used to have a shop in front of it when they decided they weren't going to reopen it last year. That has now been removed, completely demolished, and there's a lot of activity going on. There's a lot of electrics coming out. There seems to be a lot going on. Now, we're not really sure if they just use that as a maintenance shed and they're going in and out, but it would be really nice if they remove this. It's a little bit of an eyesore on the park, and it does take up some room as well. Hopefully that's going to be going. As we've panned around, you can see the teacups being put back together, and then also you can see obviously the brand new ride for 2018, which looks like a rocking tug ride. We can't tell whether it's new or not, and it seems to be themed to a bug. But you know, if you look back on our vlog, and if you haven't, go back on our channel, have a look back on our vlog, you'll see that the reason why we really like this park over some local ones like South Sea and indeed going along to Littlehampton is they have some really unique rides here. You know, you don't tend to find these kind of ones at the standard fare. You know, you don't seem to find a wild mouse ride, you don't seem to find rocking tug rides, you know, custom log flumes or anything like that at a standard fare. And it really does kind of go a bit above and beyond not to have just the standard attractions down here at Hayling Island. We do hope you've enjoyed it. It has been a bit windy, it has been a bit wet, so we did put a little bit of music over it for you just to kind of keep you away from the wind whilst we did go out there and suffer. But fascinating look into what they're doing for 2018, and even if you don't come to Funland and you've never been here before and you'll never come, fascinating look on kind of what they do and where they put the rides back together. You know, technical services are here, amusement technical services are here. We're assuming they're here for the new attraction, but they may well be here to help and assist put the rides back together. It's been a great look for us. It's been a great insight. We do love coming down here, and we may well be back down here again before the half-term period. If not, we're definitely coming down for half-term and see the new attraction. My name's Adam. This has been UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.